Hi and welcome to another C++ program. I'm going to start by including my IO string, just right there, IO string right there. And now let me include standard library, just in case. I think I might going to need the standard library as well. There. Now let's get our using namespace. By now I believe you guys understand the use of the using namespace. Without using namespace, you might not be able to see out whatever you intend to do. Okay, declare your main function, which is the main right there, and make sure you enter your curly bracket. Then the next thing that will happen now is I'm going to declare the following integer. I'm going to declare integer I, comma, j, comma, let me go for m, comma, n, comma, and I go for q, comma, and maybe w. Okay, those are my integers. The first thing I'll then do is, after the integer declaration, let's go for cout. Cout means output the following. Okay, enter your first number. Good, that's what I'm asking from the user of this program. This program, in fact, is based on just using the basic operator. In this case, I'm going to be using division and modulus. You all know what division is, but in the case of modulus is more or less, it is actually division remainder. So I'll say I, whatever value that is entered in here, whatever value that you ask for in the cout, cin will take in those values. So that is the very first one. And the second one, because I need two integer numbers to be entered, that is my second one right there. Let's get that right. Enter your second number. Alright, so the next thing I'll do is let's put all of them together. Bring this up. It's okay. And this will be j to take in the other value. Okay, now let's say m, which is right there, this is very integer right there, m equals I divided by j. Now let's have a look at n. N equals I modulus. Now that is, you can see that sign, that's the token for modulus. That will give us integer remainder. Now let's go for q. Q equals m multiplied by j. Okay, whatever value we have here, we multiply it by j. Alright, so next thing is, let's go for w equals q plus n. Enter your semicolon right there. Okay, now let's see out everything we've done using all of the basic operators. So let me say cout right there. Get rid of this, I don't need that no more. I'll just paste. So cout as follows: I equals what? Enter whatever I equals there, and enter I here. Then I will go for j equals, repeat exactly the same thing and enter j here. Let's suppose you guys are following. Now without need, let me add some couple of Yeah, 1 will do. Once you do it, space in there. Now I want I. Let's go for I divided by j. I might be running out of space, so let me just economize on my. Okay then. Now that is j. Now we now want the answer to that. The answer to I divided by j is stored in m, so we put that m right here. Now the next one would be my modulus, integer modulus. Let me go for I modulus, yeah, j equals there. So the answer of I modulus j is actually stored in n right there. So let's come for the n. Now the next bit is, let me say, enter a couple of these. Okay, that's it. Then let's get the answers to solution out. Enter your tag in there, enter another tag in there, and let's go for I space tag, and we now enter the brackets. I divided by j, then we multiply that by j plus I modulus j equals what? And that will give us w, which is the overall answer. And then we just need a line right here, and that is it. So the next thing is we need one more thing here. Let's go for system pause. If you don't do that, the whole program will just flash right in front of your eye, and that'll be all. You won't see nothing. Now that's my system pause there. Finally I need return 0 right there. I'll close my bracket there. Let me move this up one. The reason why I moved that up is because I want maybe add color right there. Let me add a color, and the color, let's go for white background. Maybe okay then. White, right, and let's see what 5 will give us. 5. Close that. Now run. Let's run this program, but before then we need to save it. File, save as. So let's just call it basic operations, basic or basic operators. Yep, that's cool. Save. So I'm just gonna run it now. Compile and run right there. Whoa, I have an error. So let's find out what have I done wrong there. Move that up. Double click. Okay, semicolon missing somewhere. Okay, this is where semicolon is missing from, but since this is I'm meant to assign some value in there, I might as well just close it up right there. So let's compile and run again, and that is it. The first thing is enter a value. Enter the second number. I guess you guys can see that. We enter 5, and that is it. That's the answer to my. See, the first number is 45, second number is 5. Okay, now I is 45, J is 5. I divided by J is 9. I modulus J is 0 because there's nothing remainder when 5 is divided by 45. Answer to that is 45, and that is the final answer. So let's use another, change it and just enter another value. Let me add some space there, maybe bring it down a bit there, and maybe one more here, bring it down as well there. Okay, let's run this program again. Save, run. I'm going to use something totally different. 56, and the second number will be 7. Okay, that's it. You can see I 56, J 7, I divided by 56 divided by 7, that's 8, and modulus 0. So I think I need another number. Let me go back and enter something that will give us a remainder. So let me just say 56. Now we divided, enter, let's say we divide 56 by 2 for 9. Yeah, you can see the modulus there. I modulus J equals 2, so that's 2 remainder. Look at it right there. 2 remainder there. So maybe we'll enter some space in there so that you guys can see that more. Yes. Okay, and that is how you create a program in C++ using all of the basic operators. So let's go for 89, first number. Now second number is 4, and that is I modulus J is 1. So maybe I should just put a heading right here. Let's just call here basic operators. 1, 2. So we need 2 of those. So here will be basic operator. Let's see. Basic operators, get rid of that. That's good. Then the next one will just be lines. Let's enter single line there. Save, compile and run, and there it is. We have our basic operator there. And that's the answer. So I'm just going to call it bye for now. I suppose you all enjoy the brief program.